Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery, and here we are with another episode of learning celebrity inspired eye makeup look. This particular makeup look, which has gone viral on social media, of Trisha Krishnan, who attended one of the political event. Half white blouse with a blue sari, which is just breathtaking. So I actually tried to create this inspired look. So without any delay, let's learn. I have also shown the complete makeup in a quick span, but mainly focusing on the eye makeup, which is very simple. If you're a beginner and want to recreate this look, this tutorial is perfect. So why delay? Learn it, make notes, check the products, and try to create this look, which is very easy and amazing to do. Before we begin with this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody who loves makeup. Let's begin. I'm going to clean my face right now using a wet wipes. It's very important to have your clean face before you do any makeup. Going with a moisturizer. I'm going to make sure the moisturizer is thoroughly massaged into my skin. Let me groom the eyebrow so that we get that sharp, precise brow. So here I'm using Mars Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. So if you actually see, Trisha has a box or a straight eyebrow in the beginning, and it's extended outwards, not downwards, just outwards. I never do the straight kind of eyebrow, so this is my first time that I'm doing this, just to match the recreation look that we are trying to create. So for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me here, and this is in the shade 5. Just one pump is enough. Next product I'm using is L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Powder. And my contour is with Smashbox. Trisha has a very sharp feature, so the contour has to be really good, and a very sharp nose as well. Now we need a highlighter because she's really got a very good shine on her face. So I'm going to go with the temples of my forehead, under the eyebrow or the arch of the brow. For this, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Gel Highlighter and blush from MAC, and this is AA5. And I'm going to extend it till the temples because that's what I see on her image. She has taken the color till the temples of the brow. Now let's go with our eye makeup. Here for the eye makeup, she's completely gone with a single palette, which is pink in the shade. So to get that pink pop, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lipstick as a base for the eyelids. Just randomly going over the eyelid, not touching the crease. You actually see her crease is so beautifully defined. You do not see the eye color at all when she opens the eyes. To blend this, I'm using this particular pink blush. So you can use any blush that you have, but make sure it is in the color pink. Always remember, any cream product, you need to pack it up with a powder product. So I'm just using a plain eye brush, going over the eyelid and making sure the pigment is evenly applied. Now taking the color from this palette, I'm just dabbing the color on top of the eyelid. Just packing it. And now taking the powder brush, just softening the edges so that nowhere you will see harsh lines. We still need to define the crease. So to define the crease, I'm going to take a little bit of brown. Any shade of brown is fine. I'm going to go with Mars. My focus is more on the outer crease than the inner crease. As in when you apply the product, I'm just trying to blend it with my fingers immediately. So wherever my skin is holding, that's where I'm going over to the color. If you are a beginner and you really do not want to go for any strong wing liner, this is a perfect makeup for you. Parul Gar Beauty's Kajal, which is amazing, and if you also want to have this particular kajal, the link is below, you can check it out. First, I'm going with a tight line. No wing, just end it here. And take any brush and just smudge it out. So what I have seen is it just got mixed up with the pink shade that I have. So I wanted a little darker black to intensify the look. I'm gonna go with Renee Cosmetics. Now we will enhance the lips, which is very simple. Small and tiny bindu. That's exactly in between the eyebrow. What I see is she's not used lashes. So now here is the last part. I'm just gonna curl, pulse 2-3 times and going with this mascara. I'm actually going to go 2 to 3 coats more so that it really gives that lifted look. So that's about the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, which actually I have tried to show you what are the important steps and points to be. You definitely need 30 minutes easily to create this particular makeup look. Whatever shown you is just 5 to 10 minutes, but please do keep 30 minutes to recreate this look. I hope you love this tutorial, and I will come up with another eye makeup tutorial in the incoming videos. Till then, keep learning, keep growing beautifully. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you soon.